Welcome to Digital Learning of DCE. This is 31st session of Human Resource Management subject, and this subject is a part of 5th semester BBA course of Mangalore University. In previous session, we had discussed various essentials of effective performance appraisal. In this session, we are going to learn employee empowerment, its meaning, elements, and importance. Let us see first what is employee empowerment. In most of the organization, a large number of employees think that they have a little control over their work and are dependent on others. This sense of powerlessness will create them frustration, and employees may not perform to their fullest potential. In order to overcome this feeling of employees and to make them to involve in planning and execution of their jobs, the concept of empowerment has been introduced. So, empowerment means allowing a person to take personal responsibility. Empowered employees become self-directed and self-controlled. This is possible only when there is a mutual trust between superiors and subordinates. So, empowerment means providing employees at all levels the authority and responsibility to make decisions on their own. It is possible when power to the employees who can experience a sense of ownership and control over the job is given to them. So, empowered individuals will know how the job should be done. They can think independently. Let us see the definition of employee empowerment. According to Richard Carver, empowerment means encouraging and allowing the individuals to take personal responsibility for improving the way they can do their jobs and they contribute to the organization goals. It requires the creation of a culture which both encourages people at all levels to feel that they can make a difference and helps them to acquire the confidence and skills to do so. So, empowerment means you are going to encourage the employees to take the personal responsibility for improving the way they are performing their job. And this will contribute to the organization goals and objectives. So, it not only encourages the people to do their job in a better way, but also it increases the confidence among them and it benefits the organization also. Let us see the important elements of employee empowerment. The important elements are, firstly, the authority. Ability of a team to take decisions, such as to budget, to have access to a petty cash fund, etc. So, you have to give them certain authority. Authority is very important so that it builds their confidence. They will be empowered when you give certain authority to take decisions in a team. Self-determination. Ability of a team to decide what problems to work on and what methods are the best one to use. This will improve their self-determination. Self-determination is possible when employees are allowed to decide on certain problems they are working and what are the methods they can use for solving those problems. Alignment. A scale which measures how close an employee's personal needs are aligned to the organizational needs is alignment. And this is an important element of employee empowerment. Skills, the ability of a team to analyze the problems and solve the problems. The skills required to solve problems, not only to solve but also to analyze the problems in a team is very important. Resources. The items necessary for team to understand the problem and implement the solution, and how to access the manufacturing engineering, etc. These are all the various requirement. Information, that ability of a team to have access the information, computers, financial figures, etc. You have to allow the employees to access the various information which are required to perform their job as a team. Accountability, a scale which measures the level of accountability for a team's action and results, is very important. You have to make them to accountable for the performance what they are doing. Self-confidence and firm determination. To be empowered, it is very important to have a certain level of self-confidence, self-sufficiency, and the firm determination. Personal control. Personal control is a kind of important element which will help to be empowered. When any kind of empowerment is given, substantial self-control is required. Then only the empowerment can be complete. Faith and trust. These are the two important ingredients which employee must have on employer, and employer also should have on employee. Meaningfulness. The system of empowerment, it is designed, should have meaningfulness. That is, it should be a meaningfulness. The system of complete this empowerment should be designed in such a way that it should be meaningfulness. Task impact. At the end, to the overall impact of the implementation of this empowerment, that must be gauged. That is a task impact. These are the important elements of empowerment. Now let us see the importance of employee empowerment. The investment in employees can improve productivity and it will reduce the cost. Why the employee empowerment is important? Because individual employee will experience a feeling of self-esteem, self-efficacy and self-confidence, which will increase the performance of them employee, and in turn it will benefit to the organization. Employee empowerment will also help in making employees more self-reliant. It allows independent decision making by employees. Empowerment of employee will help a firm to assign different projects so that to a competence of employees. More freedom will be given to the employees, which can be utilized for taking a judicious decisions. Assigning a proper authority will improve the organizational effectiveness. Independent decision making will improve self-confidence among the employees, and it can boost up the morality of the employees. The overall efficiency of the organization can be multiplied due to empowerment of the employees. Overall, we can say that empowerment of employee definitely benefit not only to the employees by increasing their performance or improving the performance, but also organization growth is possible. Thank you.